Content sliders. These are helpful elements if you'd like to allow the user to be able to scroll across to different content elements along on the same page there. So these little arrows help the user to move across. And let's go ahead and edit that. We can add whatever content we want in these. So a content slider is located right here under content elements. And if we click in, it looks just like this. So we've got the different slides, if you will. We could have a heading. We can adjust how many columns the content should be displayed in. So for example, if we save it and we just do a 3-column example, I will show you how that looks. So now we've got our 3 columns and users can scroll. Now there's only 4 pages or 4 pieces of content, so there's some gaps there, but you can see how that looks. Really versatile element. So we get back in, and so we've got some configurations here. The transition, do you want it to fade or do you want it to slide like I was just showing you? And how would you like the control buttons? Would you rather dots or don't even display any? And we can set up an auto rotation. So maybe you just want the content to rotate automatically. And here's our duration, so how long each slide will be presented for. Of course, we can change our font colors globally. So we've got our font colors here. But if we go into each of the slides, it's basically our text box element. And so we can set up the slide title, which will appear right up here in the top. And we can create a link for that title. And then we can add a bunch of text here. Or if we want to add images, we can click this button and add a media image. We can use these short codes to add some buttons, and there's a little bit of limitation here, but we can use this box. We can add images, videos, those sorts of things once you get comfortable with managing all that. But basically we have a body of content here and more bodies of content which we can add and add more entries. And on the front end, it allows the user to scroll through each or to have them scroll automatically. Very helpful tool. Content sliders, everybody.